Hi everyone, it's Hayden from a Pop Culture Gamer podcast, and today I've got another unboxing of the 8BitDo SN30 Pro Bluetooth Gamepad. This was bought for me by my son for my birthday present last week, and I haven't had a chance to open it up yet, so let's have a look. So this is obviously a SNES sort of like style controller. It's even got the same sort of colourings, but obviously this is for modern systems. It's very nicely packaged. I've heard a lot of good things about this controller, to be honest, and there it is. So we've got a little thank you for your order and to enjoy free extension of the warranty that's there, and how to contact them. Quite a nice little touch. They've put in a little key ring, which is a metal one, and there's the controller itself. So it's very light, but fits in the hand really well. Yeah, looks okay. There's obviously a sync button on there and everything, and there is the charging cable that's in the bottom. I don't think there'll be anything else that's in here. No, that's all quite firmly in place. But yeah, so I'll just take off the peel like so, and that's it. That's the controller itself. So obviously you've got your game sync here. So this will obviously work with the Switch, Windows, Android, macOS and Steam. It's Bluetooth, so the connectivity will be pretty much guaranteed with things like your Steam Deck and all of that sort of thing as well. But yeah, that's the controller, and it's very nice, so it'll be really good for retro games. The D-pad feels nice and stiff. The buttons, you know, there's yeah, I think that this will be a good controller to play with. Okay, so that's it. Pretty short and sweet today, but hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.